Hi, my name is Matt Siddall, and we're going to be looking at reorienting a sketch that may have gotten misaligned for one reason or another in your design process. So in this case, you can see right off the bat that there's two holes that are kind of colliding with each other. One is a 3-hole pattern for some locating pins, and then we have a 5-hole pattern with some countersunk bolt holes. Getting into fixing this, all we're going to need to do is just pick either of the whole pattern sketches. Even with dimensions, it shouldn't be that much of an issue. In this case, you might think, hey, that's pretty simple to fix if you just use something like a rotate entities, grab everything, maybe rotate around the center point, and then lock everything back in, reapply all your mates and not your mates, but your coincidence and your tangent points, and there's a much easier way to actually get through that, and that is using the Align Grid Origin tool. Now, the best way to access this is through the S key. This is not a command that you can actually add to your S key shortcut menu or your command manager because there's no associated icon. If you want to see where it's located in the drop-down menus, you can use the eyeball to find it, but it is quite buried. Just moving right into this, we can grab our origin, our new origin point, and we need to flip our y-axis. And because we need to flip our y-axis, we're going to see that because we accept this without defining either the x or the y-axis, that our point and origin is going to come in incorrectly. So if we use the command again, we do want to make sure that we define at least one edge as our x or y axis, and then do our y axis flip. With that complete, we now have our sketch in the correct orientation. Our dimension did get a little bit broken, but that's relatively easy to fix just by grabbing its endpoint and dropping it onto the appropriate edge. And similar workflow would be used for fixing any other dimensions. So now if we take a look at our final part, everything's in the expected position and we don't have any more problems to deal with. I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.